Hey everybody, this year at Raw Sounds 2013 I'm really excited for the acoustic set. I have on the couch with me Ayla Scanlan, who's actually going to be performing, and she's going to play us an intro for one of our songs there. So take it away, Ayla.
There are already too many people. There are already too many songs. There are more than enough professions, more than enough customers for them all. So I give up, I'm gonna go away.
What I'm looking forward to at Raw Sounds 2013 is live art.
At Raw Sounds 2013, I'm looking forward to the inflatables.
At Raw Sounds 2013, I'm looking forward to the live music.
At Raw Sounds 2013, I'm looking